Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. On today's episode of Will It Fit, we're going to be looking at this 12.5-foot tall Home Depot Inferno Deadwood Skeleton and see if it will fit in this 170-gallon Husky tote. So just off of first glance, looking at this one compared to looking at the regular 12-foot skeleton, it looks like this one takes up a lot more box. So I'm just going to try to set this in here similar to how it's laid out in this box to start, and we'll go from there. That may have done it. As you can see, that was quite the struggle. And now I see that I forgot a foot. Dang it. Oh, I thought we had it for a second there. Now I'm going to try it this way. Got the feet, the arms, and a couple of the legs in the bottom of the tote this go around. And I still have the smaller arm pieces wedged down inside of the frame of this body. What do I got left? Let's see here. It's just these odd shaped, this pelvis takes up so much dang room. No matter what way I stick it in here, it's sticking up a little too much and leaves me no room for the head. So normal 12-foot skeleton, yes. Deadwood Inferno skeleton, it's not happening. So nothing's hitting the lid. I was afraid maybe the rib cage may be hitting the lid, but it's not. But somewhere down here, it is pushing on the outer walls of the tote. And I think it's right here. There's nothing really seems to be pressing in against it. Let's try this again. So there you go. Now, I did get majority of the skeleton in there. The only thing I couldn't make fit was the feet. So what I did was I took the 2 feet and I stuck them in the tote with my regular 12-foot skeleton with the extra space I had in it. I figured since I'm putting them both up at the same time every year, there's no harm in doing that. So I'll show you that here in a second. So here's the 12-foot skeleton. What I did is I stuck one of the feet there, and then you probably can't see from here, but there's another one right underneath the rib cage. There's just a lot more extra space in this tote, and adding the 2 Deadwood feet are no issue at all for that. So ultimately, no, you cannot fit the whole Deadwood skeleton inside of this tote. If you're willing to put the whole thing in there except for the feet, then yes, it will work. Here's a visual representation of how I have this thing stored inside this tote. This is the bottom layer. I got the leg F and G on the side, the 2 arms on the other side, pelvis facing up, and then the head all on the bottom, along with the frame and the hardware. And then laying on top of that, on the top layer, the arm pieces, O and P, I got inside the rib cage. Then I have K laying on top of the rib cage, and then J laying on top of the rib cage. And like I said, the feet are inside the tote that goes with my regular 12-foot skeleton. So, I hope this helped. Anybody, if they were wondering if the skeleton would fit inside the tote, as you can tell, it was a real pain in the ass, and it took me a little bit of time to figure it out. After multiple attempts, this is what I came up with. So let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.